You will be amazed by this 2020 GMC Sierra. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a good-looking Sierra that offers impressive towing and hauling capacity and a spacious cabin with amenities like standard touchscreen infotainment and smartphone integration. Available in a wide range of powertrains, including V8 and diesel, this remarkable full-size pickup is designed to exceed your expectations. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, wireless charging station, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, premium sound system, backup camera, keyless start, remote engine start. Make your dreams come true in this can-do Sierra. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.